Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Replace the blocks on top of the doors with glass or another transparent block. Iron golems can't be spawned artificially despite having the correct amount of villagers. They only spawn at villages if a village naturally has at least 16 villagers.
Take our lead.
2 answers. Fill the entire volume of golem spawning, which is 16 by 16 by 6 around village center, with solid block floors 3 blocks of air apart. You can leave the bottommost floor 4 levels below level of your doors, and keep air up from there. The 6th of May 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.